Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Good morning sa mga cancer ko, kag good morning man sa mga wala pa cancer. Hopefully, hindi ka mo ya magka-cancer, no? Because it's a very, very difficult situation. I think emotionally, I am struggling. And I think making video is one of my options or outlet na kapagwa niya ako niya, ginabat siya. I try my best to be happy and positive because I'm living here in our small home with my kids, two boys, and our Yaya Belle na very pretty and kind. Okay, anyway, so today, it's a given na nga I have a cancer. So now the options that I have to think is what are the steps that I need to do to lessen my expenses, because we knew that cancer is a very, very expensive, slow, painful process. So I'm trying to check online, I talk to my doctors, I try to reach out with cancer survivors and cancer patients in Facebook, and at the same time, because I'm very talkative, so somehow I try not to be on my own because I feel emotional and lonely and sad. So now I think I have you all and I don't feel sad anymore. So my doctor, actually Abigail Domlao, she is a general surgeon and surgical oncology in DLSUMC. This is De La Salle Medical Center. So now she told me that I could actually avail, and I will have the privilege to avail the 20% if I will apply for PWD ID, which is she had given me a medical certificate to apply for it. This is not because I'm bulag or I'm PWD or something, but in this case, because I'm a cancer patient, I could avail it due to social disability. Budlay basahon ba? Hindi, ay napalundong ko pa. Anyway, most of the cancer patients experience kasang psychosocial disability, which is you try to pull yourself away from other people, kay you become very emotionally disturbed, I mean, which in my case is very opposite, right? The only thing I worried about is during the operation and complications will happen and I'm gonna die. I hope not. I feel so pretty today. But I know after few months or maybe in a month, pag mag-start na ko, kaya mo, lagas niya ako ni hair. Maniwang na ko guro pagid. Anyway. Sige na. Hindi na ako na mag-discuss. Mga mo na kaya I feel bad. So, I will apply for that later on. I will try to do it. So, you need medical certificate from your doctor. And then, I check online sa mga requirements. And since I'm OFW as well, i-update ko ang akon nga PhilHealth today para mabalaan ko kung pila ka percent akon ma-avail sa mga bills ko, and later because we knew ang OFW subong nga contribution is very big na. I have insurance in Hong Kong, but under HSBC, I will check it also later on. So as much as possible, i-minimize naton ang aton yung mga expenses nga malesen, kay I knew I'm gonna have a lot of bills nga bayaran. Ipula kita kwarta, mapatay ka na lang gid. Or you can find herbal medicines na but me kasi I don't believe in it. So, yes, later on i-update ko na lang kamo you guys kung ano ang mga info makuha ko. Thank you very much for watching. Please pray for me and show me love. That's all I need, love and sympathy. Thank you. God bless.